We are here in this MISA line 1 kiosk where the energy meter have been installed, and I have with me this DMRI 1010 SANDs MRI meter for downloading the energy meter, in fact, which we usually download from this using PC. But if in case our PC doesn't work because of some software issue, then we can download the MRI using this device. So for downloading, what you have to do first is on this device, you just have to on this device like this, and then okay, now it's on. Then this screen will come, this SAN Excel Explore Excel Expand will come, and then let's see. Then after this we just have to wait a little bit. So we'll go to this option number 4 called SEPIL or the LNT non-device language message specification, that is non-DLMS. We'll go to option number 4 by pressing 4, and then I'll press enter, and this screen will pop up, and then we need to download the full data, the full energy meter reading. So we will have to press D. I'll press here D, but before that I have to make sure that the cable is connected, because it works on the principle of light fidelity. So I can just put this one here like this, and then I can press D. I can put this one there like that. Then I'll press D for full data. D. Then now this will come receiving data. It will be around 16 to 17, 15 to 16 kilobytes, which is fine. So receiving data, it is now receiving the data. So like this. So I have to keep going to option number 4 and then to option number 1. First option is LNT non-DLMS, and after that we go to full data, that is by pressing D. We'll wait. When it reaches around 16 kilobyte, it will stop, just like when you reuse laptop. So it is done. Data collected around 15.4 kilobytes received. Then I'll press enter. Not very clear. I'll press enter when it is done. Okay, now the data have been downloaded to this device, and then from this the next step is to dump the data from here to the computer using WinPlus. And for dumping or transferring the downloaded MRI data from this SANS device to our computer, we will be using this WinPlus software. But initially you have to plug this SANS device to the PC by using this 9-pin VGA cable, and then after connecting to this cable, and then you on this SAN device first. Yes, now it is being on. And then after putting this on, it will be the same process as you download the full data. So this screen will come first, then we have to wait. Let's wait for the command prompt to come. What is it? Okay, so these are the options. We have to again go to option number 4, that is LNT non-DLMS non-device language message specification. So we'll go to option number 4, and then I will press enter. The screen will pop up, and then the communication is not there in this. I'll go to next page, and for that I'll just have to press shift and then next. There your PC communication option is there, U. So I'll write U. So I'm writing U. Baro is calling me, so I'll be there. It'll be there in the video. Okay. So this U is coming, and then this press 1 normal. I have to go for this press 1 normal dumb. Then I have written 1, and then again press 1 for combination, because after checking the port, it will be 1. I'll be using the port number 1, so I'll again press 1 here. If I press 2, then I'll in the WinPlus, while doing the configuration, I'll have to choose port number 2, but let me do port number 1. Why to confuse ourselves? Okay, so it's waiting for a data request from the PC. For that, you will be opening your WinPlus. You will be opening your WinPlus, and then as usual your user ID will be MR, and then password also MR, and then you have to log in or offline, and then this is coming. And as I said, I will configure first. I will go to read data, and then meter configuration, and then I will not go to meter configuration. I will instead go to MRI configuration. If I download from PC, we usually do this meter configuration, but from this SANDs device we have to use this MRI configuration. And then directly in MRI reading, things are actually same. Port also, since I've chosen a combination port number 1, so let it be there, let 1 be there. I can check also from here. If I have to check, I'll go to device manager, device manager. If I have to check the port, this port is there, so it's written here port number 1. The combination port is number 1, you can see there, so that is fine. So the port will be number 1, and everything will be intact. Only thing here, maybe in desktop, I will make a new folder. For example, I can give today's date 27, maybe I can write 27 full. Alright, then I will click OK. All my data that I'll be downloading will be saved in this desktop folder, 27 full. So I will save this. Okay, and then I will save, because since we are doing for MISA 1, so let me save this as MISA 1. If we are doing for MISA 2, I can give MISA 2 just to make things easier. Okay, and then after this step, configuration has been done, so I will directly read. I will instead go for read MRI. Not this. The first one is actually for downloading directly from the energy meter using this WinPlus through computer. But if I have to download from read MRI, then I'll have to use this MRI, this SANDs device, and I'll have to use the second option, read MRI. And then I will first select my configured file. Where is my configured file? MISA 1 is there. This, and open, and just as usual command, and then send. So your command will be accepted, and then it will start downloading. This process will take, like, say around 7 to 8 minutes, because around 300 MB of data will be downloaded, and this will like this only. After this you can close. This is taking some time, but let it finish. But after this you just have to click OK, and then you can check your downloaded file in the folder that I have just created. Where is it? In this. Right now it will not be there. Is it there? I don't think so, because it's still downloading. It will not be there, but the one that I did before is this Alpha software. Yeah, this one is there, and one more. It may be here also, not there. In this maybe. Okay, that is the step for downloading the MRI reading from the meter. So it's a simple step. Download is going on, and from this device also you will be seeing this dumping data. This much 93 MB have been dumped, and it's still going on.